we are in Sharjah, so we decided to taste some Arabic food. So we have chosen mandi. So we are going to eat the special Arabic food. It's called mandi. So we are on the way. Let's go and taste it out. In Zahor, we came to Mandi restaurant, Bait al Mandi. This is very famous restaurant. So let's go and eat their mandi. So we give you good reviews. Okay, Zahur?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of monkeys.
Let's start with the soup. That's special yakhni soup. So we'll start with this. We order our laham mandi. It is here. So let's have a taste and tell you how it tastes like. Amazing. Zoe, taste and tell me how you taste like.
It's good.
Nice?
Very good, yeah.
To pour some this tomato sauce, and you have to mix it together and take a big bite. Wow. I have no words to explain this. The meat is just cooked only with salt. It's boiled actually. And then you have to take a syrup of yakhni. Everything have its own taste. Amazing. Yeah.
I'm also gonna taste it with some yogurt. Good.
Zahur's favorite dish is mandi,
Yeah.
and especially today I bring him with me to taste, and
awesome.
it's
Beef
awesome.
is
Look,
awesome.
Zahur having a big piece, and this all Zahur will finish because I'm done. Today I came for him, and it was experience was nice and beautiful taste.
Yeah.
Let's ask from Zahur, how was the food?
The food was so good that I'm licking my finger.
He's licking his finger and I'm taking my soup, and everything was amazing. Now we are gonna to try their sweet. Its name is kunafah. So let's taste and tell you about that. So this is our last dish. It's an Arabic sweet. So to eat this sweet this is a cream kunafah. So you have to pour the syrup first. Okay. Then you have to mix it up. Then take one small bite. It's a creamy inside. Okay, and take in your mouth. Wow. This is the best sweet in the world, I think. Zahur, taste kunafah and test me. Okay, Zahur is going to taste and tell us how he like it about.
First thing is very hot.
Okay, he's saying it's hard.
It's so creamful.
It's a creamy inside.
And then the sugar sauce.
Okay, the syrup is nice.
It's amazing.
Overall, he like it. Overall, all the food is amazing. We can say 10 of the 10. The mandi was amazing, and the kunafah is 100% amazing. Okay, Zaud. Say bye bye. Okay, bye.